Hey everyone! How's it going? My name is Nora. In this video, I'm going to give you all the information you need about Clubhouse Fire before you decide to purchase it. I also have some important warnings for you, so make sure to watch this video until the end to avoid wasting your money. First of all, be cautious about the website where you buy the product. Currently, Clubhouse Fire is only sold on the official website. To help you out, I've included the official website link in the video description and in the first comment below. I'm here on screen to share my experience and help you determine if Clubhouse Fire is right for you. What is Clubhouse Fire? Clubhouse Fire is a scientifically formulated male enhancement supplement designed to boost men's sexual health and performance. It aims to increase sex drive and reduce recovery time after ejaculation, allowing for prolonged and repeated intimate experiences, potentially satisfying partners multiple times with greater ease and vigor. Natural and effective composition. The effectiveness of Clubhouse Fire comes from its all-natural ingredients, carefully selected and mixed in precise quantities. Backed by scientific research, this ensures both efficacy and safety. This meticulous approach sets Clubhouse Fire apart in a market often filled with synthetic and potentially harmful alternatives. Manufactured to high standards. Produced in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, Clubhouse Fire adheres to the highest standards of quality and safety. It's free from gluten, GMOs, and harmful preservatives, making it suitable for a wide range of dietary needs. Additionally, its capsule form makes it easy to incorporate into daily routines. Safe and non-habit forming. Despite its natural ingredients, Clubhouse Fire is potent and effective. Importantly, it's non-habit forming and free from known side effects, making it a safe option for long-term use. Its affordability also makes it accessible to a wider audience. Consultation recommended. As with any dietary supplement, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare provider before starting Clubhouse Fire, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on other medications. This helps ensure safety and avoid any unintended interactions or side effects. How does Clubhouse Fire work? Clubhouse Fire operates on a simple yet effective mechanism, using its 100% natural formula to enhance male sexual health and performance. Here's how it works. Boosts dopamine levels. By naturally increasing dopamine levels in the body, Clubhouse Fire enhances sexual desire and satisfaction. Reduces refractory periods. The time required to be ready for sexual activity again after ejaculation is significantly shortened, allowing for more frequent and satisfying encounters. Improves overall sexual health. By addressing key aspects like libido and recovery time, Clubhouse Fire contributes to overall sexual well-being. Enhances stamina and endurance. It improves stamina and endurance during sexual activities, enabling longer sessions with greater energy. Addresses psychological aspects, besides physical benefits. Clubhouse Fire helps improve confidence and reduce stress, which are crucial for a fulfilling sexual experience. Overall, Clubhouse Fire naturally tweaks crucial biological functions related to sexual health. Its emphasis on increasing dopamine levels and reducing refractory periods translates into heightened sex drive and shorter recovery times, resulting in an enhanced sexual experience. The natural ingredients ensure safety and efficacy, making it a reliable choice for men seeking to improve their sexual health. Ingredients used in Clubhouse Fire Male Enhancement Supplement. L-tyrosine. Maca root powder. Ashwagandha, a well-known adaptogen that helps reduce stress and anxiety, improving sexual function and desire. Vitamin B6. Zinc. Vitamin E. For your safety, make sure to purchase directly from the official product website. To make it easier, I've left the link here in the description and in the comments below this video.